Let's begin.
Hi friends, I am Kumar Sharma from Zara Technologies. Today we will develop and test anti-coronavirus drone. This drone will help us in preventing the spread of coronavirus disease COVID-19. The main function of drone is to spray sanitizer near the area of hospital, college, road, street, etc. Okay, so let's start. So this is our lab in New Delhi. Here we will develop this anti-corona drone. In this lab we also develop things like projects, product, do scientific research, industrial product, patent system, etc. So here are some components of drone like carbon fiber frame, propeller, remote, LED dot matrix, 10,000 mAh battery, brushless DC motor. Okay, so we will start with the basic training of drone. I will take few minutes. We are using here X shape of drone. M1, M2, M3, M4, M5, M6. Main forces F1, F2, F3, F4, F5 and F6. And there will be one controller which will make drone move forward, flight controller. If you combine all forces, that is F1, F2, F3, F4, F5 and F6 together, and the resultant is equal to the gravitational force acting downward, then there will be no movement in drone. If these forces greater than mg, then drone will rise. Okay, and if it is smaller than mg, drone will come down. Lift calculation of a drone, that is L equals to half rho, that is the air density, velocity square and surface area and lift coefficient CL. Okay, and these motors will be controlled by this remote and direction flow motor. This motor will be clockwise, this will be anti-clockwise, clockwise, anti-clockwise, clockwise and anti-clockwise, and these motor will create angular momentum which will cancel out each other. Okay, so let's just start connecting these components with real DC motor. So the drone is ready. Now we will make sanitizer tank. Let's make one tank unit. Then we need two motors here and one M2 which are connected with the rods. Okay, this rod will give support to the pipe which is connected to the sprinkler S1 and S3, and this tank will have sanitizer in it, and this will be connected with the drone in the below part. Okay, so this is just a prototype. So these are some components by which we can make sanitizer tank. We have connected it. Now we will test it. We have connected battery with motor, and both motors are working fine. These are water pumps. Okay. So in next part we will make in between assembly for drone and sanitizer tank. We will connect it with drone, and this is G10 material. So we will put some glue stick over the surface of this G10 material, and we will stick sanitizer tank to it. It's just a prototype, it's just an idea. Now the assembly is ready. We will make sure it is fitted well with the drone, and now everything is ready, and this drone is now ready to fly. Okay, so after this we will load sanitizer in the tank. So we are doing the first test here, test number 1. Now we have updated sanitizer tank for more quantity. It's around 5 liters. Now we will fill sanitizer in it. And close it. Okay. So next, connect LiPo battery with drone circuit. The drone will power on, and it will wait for the signal from remote. Now this drone is ready for test number 2. Now we are testing it in a street. Test number 3.
Anti-corona drone can operate in 2 modes, automatic or manual. In manual mode, you can control it through the remote controller. In the automatic mode, we have a ground control station. In the ground control station, you can see we can guide the corona drone to sanitize the area required by us, or you can also mark the points like waypoints you can mark and give a mission to the drone. it will sanitize the whole area without the manual human intervention, saving the time and money.